If you're wondering why I'm showing you a picture of this van like this in a Ryobi tool video, stay tuned and you'll find out why. If you're thinking of buying Ryobi tools and wondering if they're worth it, I'm going to share my experience with them and give you my recommendation on whether they're worth buying or if you should consider buying something else. Last year, my wife and I converted a Ford Econoline van into a camper van, and most of the tools we used for the project were either Ryobi tools or tools that I bought from Harbor Freight. The camper van conversion took us a few months to build out. Performance-wise, the Ryobi tools definitely exceeded my expectations. They performed well, the tools never gave out, and the batteries did hold a charge. In my opinion, Ryobi tools are in a category of their own. I used these tools on a daily basis until the van was fully converted into a camper and not one steady tool break on me. Keep in mind that I really didn't do anything heavy duty. The most heavy duty that I did was drill holes into a quarter thick steel flat bars and drill holes into the sides of the van for water and electrical outlets. This is the van my wife and I converted into a camper van. It took us a few months to build this van from scratch, and all of the tools we used for the project were either Ryobi or Harbor Freight tools. It would be unfair of me to tell you that these tools will last you forever. However, I can tell you that the more expensive brands like Makita or Bosch are built to last, but you will pay a higher price for the tools when you compare to Ryobi. If you're a professional and you buy a Makita or Bosch tool, you will be outside dropping them on concrete and on dirt. Those tools will definitely handle the beating. Ryobi tools, in my opinion, may not be as durable, but they are not meant to be used in a professional heavy-duty setting. However, they have recently been entering that market. The Makita 18-volt drill alone costs $99 at Home Depot, but it doesn't come with a battery or charger, it's just a tool. On the other hand, the Ryobi half-inch 18-volt drill costs $59 and comes with a battery and charger, so for $40 less, you get all three. The Ryobi brand aims for the entry-level market for DIYers or homeowners. If you're a professional who needs a drill for work, then it's worth spending more. If you bought a Ryobi drill 20 years ago, the batteries that are made today are still compatible with those drills. That's why I like Ryobi, because the tools that I buy today, 10, 15, 20 years from now, the batteries I buy in the future will still be compatible with my tools. I highly recommend Ryobi 18-volt tools for homeowners, DIYers. If you're on a budget, having a table saw, circular saw, drill, impact driver, and more tools definitely helped me with my van conversion project. Overall, I have to say that after using Ryobi tools, I become a bit of a fanboy. I love how Ryobi is always innovating and coming out with new tools. I'm definitely a huge fan of the brand and would recommend their tools for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable option.